If you have pets, you know the real problem is not dust. It's hair on rugs, hair on hard floors, and hair that shows up again tomorrow. Here are 5 Amazon robot vacuums that focus on pet hair, ordered from budget to PRO so you can choose fast. Here are the 5 in order. Number 5, eLife A12 Pro. Number 4, Eureka E20 Evo Plus. Number 3, Uninel. Number 2, Roomba Combo J5 Plus. Number 1, Shark AI Ultra. Number 5, budget. eLife A12 Pro with a self-emptying station. This is for you if you want the cheapest way to get a dock and reduce daily mess. It picks up everyday pet hair from hard floors. It helps keep crumbs and litter under control. It saves time by emptying into the base instead of your hands. It's a simple setup for apartments and small homes. It's a good starter choice for hands-off cleaning. Downside, deep carpet hair can need extra passes. Verdict, the budget pick to stop the daily hair buildup. Number 4. Eureka E20 Evo Plus. This is for buyers who want to step up in cleaning feel without jumping to premium pricing. It handles mixed floors with less babysitting. It keeps pet hair moving into the system instead of spreading it. It works well for daily maintenance runs. It helps your home look cleaner between deep cleans. It's a solid choice for families with 1 or 2 pets. Downside, mapping and app features can vary by home layout. Verdict, the balanced pick for everyday pet homes. Number 3. Uninel with self-emptying. This is for people who want strong value with a self-emptying base and simple routine. It reduces the need to empty the bin all the time. It's great for keeping pet hair under control week to week. It helps with rugs and hard floors in the same run. It's convenient for busy schedules and quick cleanups. It's a strong value if you want the dock experience. Downside, long hair can still tangle over time. Verdict, best value if you want self-emptying without paying top dollar. Number 2, Roomba Combo G5 Plus. This is for pet owners who want smart obstacle handling and a more polished ecosystem. It's great for homes where pet messes can happen. It keeps you from constantly checking the robot. It's strong for daily runs on hair and tracked in dirt. It's a solid choice if you want vacuum plus light mopping. It feels more refined for homes with pets and kids. Downside, you pay more for the brand and features. Verdict, best for pet homes that want smarter navigation. Number 1, PRO, Shark AI Ultra with Matrix Clean Navigation. This is for people who want a premium pet hair routine with strong coverage. It's built for thorough passes on high-traffic areas. It keeps pet hair from taking over your floors. It's great when you want fewer missed spots. It's a strong pick for bigger spaces and daily use. It delivers the most complete experience in this list. Downside, it's the most expensive here. Verdict, the PRO choice if you want the strongest overall pet hair setup. Quick recap, same order. Best budget with a dock, number 5. Best balanced daily pick, number 4. Best value self-emptying, number 3. Best smart option for pet homes, number 2. Best overall pro, number 1. Links are in the description with the current Amazon price. Now your turn. Do you already own any of these? Share your experience, good and bad. Which would you buy today, the budget pick or the PRO pick? For more fast Amazon product comparisons, subscribe and hit like.